Hey everyone! Welcome back to Business with AI, your go-to channel for the latest in AI tools and how they can supercharge your content creation and online business. Today, we've got something super exciting for you. I'm going to reveal 7 amazing AI websites you won't believe are completely free. These tools will blow your mind with what they can do, and trust me, you'll want to bookmark every single one. So let's jump right into it. First up is LlamaCoder. Imagine you have a bright idea for a new mobile application, but you don't write a code, and also you don't want to spend money before creating it. LlamaCoder has your back, without costing you a dime. Let's have a look to the website and its capabilities. As I told you before, you don't need to be a code expert to start. All you have to do is to write a prompt talking about the mobile application idea, and that's it. I will try a simple example to see together how it works. I will write in the prompt, "Build me an alarm clock application," and click on this arrow. And here we go. The platform started to create the code and displayed me the result beside to start testing it. Look how it is fast and reliable. Moreover, the code experts can also benefit from LlamaCoder to faster their work, so they can ask anything from the platform, take the code and add to it, so they can accelerate the coding process in an optimal way. Once you are satisfied from the result, you can click the button Publish to get a URL for the application and continue the publish process to either Android or Apple Store or both of them. Benefit from this platform and transform your idea to a real project. Next, we have VDodev, a game-changing AI tool designed for developers. This is a completely free platform that allows you to rapidly build and deploy applications. No need to spend hours on back-end work. With VDodev, you can focus more on innovation while the platform handles the grunt work, including automation and integration. If we look to the website, we can see it is similar to ChatGPT design, where we can write our own prompt text to get the results we want. Let's try a new example and ask it to build us a calculator mobile application. And there you go. Hours of coding are just resumed with a one-click on VDodev, with the design displayed to check if there is any need of adjustment with the code file provided by the website as well. This is another awesome tool that can help you build new ideas and reduce time wasted on generic basic codes. Ever wanted to create an AI tool and earn from it? Look no further than Websim AI. This incredible tool helps you to create an AI tool by just typing the idea details. The best part? It's completely free. Great for new entrepreneurs to boost their online presence. Moving to the website, all you have to do here is to type in the box above the idea that you want to create. I will ask it to create an AI image generator tool. And in seconds, here's the AI tool that you want. You can test it, and once satisfied, you can download the HTML code from here, implement it in your own website, and you are done. Do you imagine that this process is that easy and completely free? Try it and leave me your feedback in the comments. Tool number 4 is 1015.io, a versatile website offering tons of free tools for content creators. Whether it's generating visual content, editing videos, or creating infographics, 1015.io has an array of AI-powered tools to make your job easier. It's perfect for content creators looking to save time and boost productivity. Let's have a look to this website. Look here, where the tools are classified by type. If we click on Social Media Tools, for example, it will direct us to the top tools for Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and much more. Also, we can click on See All to see all social media tools. Choose the one that you want to use, and you are free to go. It's worth trying such a tool, especially it is free and can boost your productivity. If you've ever wondered what AI is truly capable of, head over to whatican.today.com. This site showcases hundreds of AI applications you can explore and use for free. From art generation to language processing, this site serves as your one-stop shop for discovering cool AI tools that can help you with everything from content creation to problem solving. Look how many AI tools are displayed and available in your hands for free. And the best part, they are updated on a daily basis, so each day you will explore new AI tools. Let's try one of them. This tool indicates that you can create a faceless short videos. Sign up and go to start your content creation journey. Next up is Bookie.com, a fantastic AI-powered tool for managing invoices. Whether you're a freelancer A small business owner or just someone who needs to keep track of expenses? Bookie makes it super easy. It automates the process of creating and sending invoices, all without costing you a cent. Explore the large number of invoice templates, choose one that suits your business, edit it based on your preferences, and you are ready to go. This tools can transform your business and make it more professional in front of your clients. Benefit from it today since it is free. Last but definitely not least, we have HuggingFace. If you're into AI and machine learning, this is the ultimate resource for you. HuggingFace offers a vast library of AI models that are free to access and use. Whether you're working on natural language processing, image recognition, or even building your own AI models, this site has everything you need to get started for free. You have a large number of models ready to be used without costing you a dime. Same for data sets and spaces. All of them updated on a daily basis, so you will remain on the latest trends of AI and machine learning if you stick on this website. Hurry up and benefit from it today. And there you have it, 7 mind-blowing AI websites that are 100% free to use. These tools will definitely help you level up your game, whether you're a coder, content creator, or just someone curious about the incredible things AI can do. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Business with AI for more awesome content like this. Drop a comment below and let me know which tool you're excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.